Good morning class 3rd. We were reading chapter 8 in EBS and the name of this chapter is Teeny Animals. In the previous class, we have seen that Riya was telling about the insects. We have seen some features of animals, of insects, and we have seen fact aunt. Now in this class, you have to do fun time in the book. So fun time is your homework. Name these insects with the help of picture clues. First is the first part of its name is lady. So here you can fill lady bird. This bird. In the second, the first part of its name is grass. So in the second you can fill grasshopper. Now the third, its name rhymes with close. So here you can fill in the third blank cockroach. I think this is the picture of cockroach. So this is your homework, students. Now we have to read from page number 49. Insects like butterflies and mosquitoes do not crawl, they only fly. Next, insects like cockroaches, beetles, wasps and houseflies can crawl and fly both. So insects like cockroaches, beetles, wasps and houseflies can crawl on ground as well as can fly on sky. Now give answer orally of this question. Name the insect which shares its name with a very popular sport. Now you can see the next point of features of insects. Insects have special features in their mouth to help them obtain their food. A butterfly sucks nectar using its tube-like mouth. A mosquito sucks blood with its needle-like mouth. So insects have special features in their mouth due to which they are able to take their food easily. For example, butterfly's mouth is like a tube so that it sucks the nectar of flowers inside. In the same way, the mouth of the mosquito has a needle-like structure by which it can suck blood of humans and other animals. Fact aunt. Etymology is the study of insects. Now you can see two questions and you have to give answer orally. Name 4 insects you see in and around your home, and the second, name 2 insects you usually see at night. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see insects can be harmful. So thank you class.